Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fab Gallery. I am Dr. Adarsh. Today I am drawing Goku, and this artwork was requested by one of you. I will start with simple shapes to build the outline, then refine the details. Okay, let's start. And we will finally color the Goku to bring him alive. Okay. If you enjoy anime drawings, don't forget to like this video, comment what character I should draw next, and subscribe for more art content. We will start from a simple circle, slightly ellipse for the face. Now then, simply we will make some straight lines. I'm using simple pencil, it's from DOMS, and I will may use the eraser, and it's Apsara. Okay, this is a simple drawing page, and we will start from simple things. I'm starting from making the face shape first. Yeah. Now this, you can draw with me, it's very simple when you see someone drawing and you also draw same things like I'm drawing. So I love watching anime, guys, I love watching animes, and I love making drawing of things that I watch, right? Now we will just take the level where the mouth will come, like this. This is the part where the mouth of Goku will come. Now I will check where the nose will come, like this. This is the part where the nose will come. It's just check the distance between the chin and the mouth, and then the mouth from the nose, okay? Like this. Then from the eyes and the nose. So it's from like this. It's diagonal, and it's around like here, and it's around here, okay? It's slightly, if you check this, the mouth ends where the eyes starts, okay? Like this. Now you have to just see how wide the eyes of Goku, and I think it's around this, both sides, okay? Now the eyebrows like this. If you have saw on the Goku, his eyebrows are like this. It's okay. Now I will start. Okay, start from the nose. This is the nose, simple straight nose, like this. We will color this drawing, so I'm not shading this. Okay, we'll just make simple. We will not shade this. This is the nose. Now we will do the eyes. Guys, you can draw with me, because when someone draws, it seems very easy. But if you draw alone, it will like you feel some difficulties. This is the eyes of Goku. You can like this video and suggest me anything you want to say. Suggest in comments. Okay. Chalo. So guys, we are drawing the eyes. Actually the camera is shaking, so I'm change the position of camera. Now we will draw the eyebrows of the Goku. It is slightly down, I think, like this. You can change whenever you feel that it's not. If it's not like that, so you can change any time. Okay. This is the chin part. The second eyes. Okay, let's draw fast. Slide fast. This is it. Now the second eyebrow. Like this. Now we have to just check again the face shape and fix if it is not like it. Okay. Now the eyes, the level of ears are at mid of eyes, so I'm drawing this. Like this. Similarly like this. Okay. Now it's around the level of hairline is around this. Okay. So we will like drawing this from that. Like this. So guys, what thing you like in Dragon Ball Z? I like the superpowers, how they increase their stamina and how they increase their power. The writer of Dragon Ball Z is amazing. right guys? Now this is the, you have to check where the hair ends. So first check the level right here. I think it's here below the ears, and from this side it's here. And you also check how far you will go. The lines, the lines should at least first confirm the thing. It's around this, like this. And you can change anytime you feel that it's not looking good. You can change the level like this. So how it looks guys, you can like and share this drawing to your younger ones, to your friends who like drawing.
Hello. Hello cats 0724. So what's your name? And do you like Goku? You love Goni. Yeah, you love Goku. Your name is Amy. Hello Amy. Welcome to our channel. So today we are drawing your favorite Goku. We will first draw it and we will color it. Where are you Amy? Coming back. Hello. Very nice to have you. So we start drawing. Love drawing. Nice. So what do you think about this Goku drawing? Is it nice? Thank you so much. You can draw with us, along with us. And please, you love the eyes. Thank you. Thank you, Ashley. What about others? Can you, guys, if you love this drawing, can you please like it? And please do subscribe to our channel. Please show us some love. If you like this drawing, like, react. Thank you, Annie. We will wait for the color as well. We will color it after drawing. What other anime character do you like? We will draw it in our next session because we are drawing this book because someone has requested us to draw Goku and color it. So today in the live, we are drawing it. And if you have any request, you can tell us. We will draw that. We like you very much. We will draw it to the workshop in our next live session. And definitely everything else. What about others? What do you think? How's the drawing?
Thank you. you.